How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get big wrists, advanced exercise tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we're going to do is wrist curls. These are really, really good to get big wrists. That's 20, keep going. 30, keep going. 50, perfect, quick little break. Okay, the next exercise is going to be wrist circles. So you're just going to go like this, and you're going to make a circle with your wrist, just like this. $30, perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do squeezes. So get your hands like this, squeeze really, really tight, hold for about 25 seconds. Keep going, 10 more seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Back to wrist curls. $30, keep going. $50, perfect, quick little break. Now we're going to do wrist curls again. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.